Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to make a Yoyo post on the main feed of Yoyo Emojis. So to do that, you just long press on the blue plus sign top right corner, then the recording would start. Hey guys, I hope you love this new UI for the app, and if you're seeing this in the old version of the app, please upgrade. So it's going to upload. Okay, so we have our post in now, so we're just going to play it back. Hey guys, I hope you love this new UI for the app, and if you're seeing this in the old version of the app, please upgrade.